What happens if we return -1 from the init function? In our previous example, we were returning 0, and we know in user space, if you return 0 from your main function, it is a success. And if you return a negative value, it means it's a failure condition. So this is being informed to the kernel space. But now here we are running in kernel space, and what happens if you return a non-zero value, for example -1? So let's verify what happens if you. I'm going to compile the code. Now I'm going to load the code. So let's verify whether we have this module already loaded. No, we do not have this module loaded. So I'm going to load this module. So it failed with an error, operation not permitted. And let's check whether we get the message in the kernel buffer by running the email. So we have a printk here. Let's verify whether we'll be getting that message or not. Yeah, there is a message present here in the kernel buffer. We have a message here, the kernel buffer, but the module is not loaded because we were returning -1. So if you are trying to return -1 from the kernel space, from the kernel module init function, the module will not be loaded into the kernel space.